The clock is ticking and the time's running out for Windows 10 users, and the last date to make an action is October 14, 2025. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Microsoft has pulled the plug on security updates for Windows 10, marking the end of an era and putting PC gamers at a crossroad. If you're still holding out on upgrading, the clock is ticking. One option is to stay on Windows 10 under Microsoft's Extended Security Updates program, but that's just buying time. With Capcom already dropping support for Windows 10 in its Monster Hunter titles, it's clear game developers are preparing to move on and others will soon follow. Future releases like GTA 6 may not even support Windows 10 by the time they arrive. So what's next? Windows 11 is the obvious choice. It delivers solid performance, wide compatibility, and a new game mode that's competing with alternatives like SteamOS. However, gamers continue to raise concerns about forced updates, system bloat, and inconsistent stability, especially after issues seen in the update. On the other hand, there's SteamOS, Valve's Linux-based alternative that's tailor-made for gaming. It's slick, console-like, and perfect for handhelds like the Steam Deck. But on desktops, things get messy with compatibility issues and anti-cheat systems. Mods and NVIDIA hardware makes the experience bad, unless you're ready to deal with the alternatives like Bazite, which offers better support for non-Valve devices. So, if you're on a desktop and want hassle-free gaming, Windows 11 is still your safest bet for now. But if you're ready to experiment, SteamOS or Bazite offers a console experience that's hard to ignore, especially as Microsoft's grip on gaming starts to loosen. So, which one are you picking? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.